matiganite nimekite giko kia mwanya muno kuri Ruth Wamam after what transpired thutha wake gukorwo agika interview gwa Kameme kuria arakorirwo agitura maundu maingi muno. Na thutha ucio nginya Martin wa Janet in a recent interview nirakorirwo akira Akenya na mashabiki ake matikanyoke gukorwo makijudge mundu mataiguite the full story. No thutha ucio aini ni makiyumiritie na njira itiganite muco kugerana nende ciao cia ukinyaniria na gukorwo magika giko kia mwanya muno kuri Ruth Wamam. No mbere tukurora undu ungi Ruth Wamam mwenyewe arakorirwo akiumbura iguru rigie Kezia wa Kariuki, what Kezia wa Kariuki once did to her. Ruth nirakorirwo akiumbura undu utaroekaine na akiena one experience kuria Kezia anakorwo akumuteithia muno, na this was during Martin wa Janet uthoni mena Biti wa maitha. Ruth Wamam niumburite ati muthenya ucio ni muthenya wa murituheire muno, no Kezia wa Kariuki, Kezia ni akorirwo akumuteithia na njira ya mwanya muno. She stood with her na gutigirira ati Ruth ni akorwo agisurvive through the day and getting through the day na njira ya kumumiriria na ona nginya massage mwiri nigetha akorwo wa kurelax na aihutirwo ni stress iria akiri nacio muthenya ucio. Na ona nginya muthenya uyu Ruth araheanaga rugano rwake gwa Kameme, Kezia wa Kariuki was among the people watching the live. Alita njira ya gusupport na kuonania support yake kuri Ruth Wamam. Na thutha ucio thutha wa kira kirahandikire Ruth Wamam, aini angi aingi nimeyumiritie na njira nene muno na gusupport Ruth Wamam na magikomithia muno giko kira kiramuhanikire kana what was meant to happen to her. You know uria arabangirwo gwikwo uru na umwe wao ari Karangu Muraya anda muthoni wa Kirumba's post. Karangu nyarakorirwo agikiuga no weapon formed against her shall prevail, na ona ake muini Ugerecho Ngigi wa kiugo original ona ake akiuga yes Ruth Wamam keep going. Ona nginya Karo Mwaura ona ake agikiuga imagine if she didn't have a phone or didn't have a thought of kuingia live, nini inge happen next. Ruth Wamam uyu muhithe ni Ngai. Na ona nginya Suga Shambi all the way from USA ona ake ni akomithetie muno na gukirira aria marenda kugera Ruth Wamam ngero, na in fact ayeki advocate for Ruth to be given back her two kids arere, undu urasupportirwo muno ni Akenya. Na ake Kenya Wairatu na ake agikiuga keni murata wakwi muno to both Martin wa Janet na Ruth Wamam na no ende kuona magisolve this issue once and for all tondu igocoka ika affect ciana ciao na ti wega. Na mundu ungi ni Ngugi wa Karanja uria onake augite no weapon formed against Ruth Wamam shall prosper, be strong girl. Aige magiside muno na Ruth Wamam na magikomithia what was planned for her.